Hi viewers, upcoming from tomorrow onwards, the festive season begins, and we'd like to, on behalf of our entire team, wish you, Mridul and Pawan and myself, we'd like to wish you all a very good, festival season ahead because there's Durga Puja coming up. It's the Navratri season and then the setup. So now we've planned make small little presentations for all the viewers and give you crazy prices for authentic articles and very unique articles. So this particular video is going to be, this particular presentation is going to portray to you stuff which is going to be very unique, which is probably I'm sure that 99% of all viewers will not have heard these names, but they are known for their beautiful prints and for their beautiful gothic and the horror concept and the beautiful work on them. I'm sure you will appreciate it. And the kind of pricing that we are going to give you is going to be crazy. So there are going to be 3 back-to-back sales. 3 sale होने वाले हैं very soon in the next 7 to 8 days, maybe a week's time. So that's the festive bonanza that we are coming up with. So please stay glued and like I said, there are 3 sales coming up. So this is the first, and then 2 followed by 2 other sales. So all both winter and summer. So please send us your requests and your screenshots for whatever you like. 3 back-to-back sales within a week to 10 days. So crazy festive bonanza for everybody. That's a way of saying thank you to everybody from our hearts for supporting us. So especially those people who have been there with us since beginning. Not so long ago we started, and they've always been with us. They've shown us, they've given us a lot of orders, and so we just like to thank everyone. And also the new viewers are going to join in. So thank you very much and happy festive season. We'll begin. Like I said, these we're starting off with the t-shirts. If you see, these are very unique labels. These are unheard of. ये अगर आप देखेंगे, so this is a beautiful work here. See the 3D work here, and this is a dollar bill. So this is a particular. All these labels are being. These are from current exports to America, the East Coast. So East Coast of America. So they are all current articles. We are showing you smaller sizes. दिखा रहे हैं हम आपको पहले. डिजाइन देखिए कितने अच्छे हैं, प्यारे. कपड़े बहुत अच्छे हैं. The range is between about $30 to they go up to $80. So very crazy articles, and they are sale price. So we are giving you these for $4.99, flat $4.99. Unheard of brands, very unique, बहुत ही unique है, आपको कहीं भी नहीं मिलने वाले हैं. So इस price पे $4.99 size medium. हम लोग आपको छोटे sizes दिखा रहे हैं. So इसका work देखिए, इसका जो horror concept है, gothic concept hai, this money concept, this looks really crazy, outstanding. This is just amazing. So this is again medium. Fat Cat is the label, and amazing. You can see the work on it with the stripe on the sleeve. $4.99. Only $4.99. This is a sale. Now look at this beautiful piece here. ये देखिए, जल्दी से order कर सकते हैं. First come, first basis. Now the full sleeve is $5.99. It's got Swarovski work on it, a beautiful tiger. ये देखिए, tiger. Watch your back. So these are, unheard of articles. पीछे से plain. It's got this band on the sleeve. It's a lovely gray color and beautiful work on it. So lovely men's article, party wear, and it can be worn pre-winter as well all over India. It's a thin t-shirt. It's not a sweatshirt. ये देखिए, हम आपको छोटे साइज दिखा रहे हैं, पवन साइज और प्राइस बताते रहिए.
Size medium.
Now look at this beautiful teddy in between. ये देखिए, this has got this raincoat material inside, cotton from the outside, and thread work. So mind blowing stuff. You can see this, the thread work, limited edition there, and this beautiful work on this makes it look just outstanding. Okay, now this Rebel Vengeance, the horror theme or the gothic theme, you can see, lovely. Shipment pack condition. Again, this is to New York, US shipment. ये देखिए, पीछे दिखाइए पवन इसका काम. You look at this beautiful cross with Swarovski work.
Size medium.
So you're getting a crazy
499.
price. 499. जल्दी से ऑर्डर करिए. साइज मीडियम 40-41. बहुत ही क्रेजी आर्टिकल्स है, बहुत ही यूनिक और रेयर है. ये आपको कहीं नहीं मिलेगा. ये इसकी गारंटी मैं दे सकता हूँ आपको. Nobody will have these particular labels. Now this is a beautiful work. You can see this, the bead work, the Swarovski they've used, the glass work they've used. Looks really nice. This steady with this cross.
Size medium.
Full sleeve, medium, black. 599. The full
590.
sleeve is 599. Size bata.
Sleeve 590.
Viewers, this is a beautiful piece again. A lovely color, very light at the back. Color combination is crazy. Orange and cream, and this beautiful color at the back. This teddy in between with his one eye stitched and across.
Size.
Looks really nice. And the fabric inside they've used
499.
is very silky fabric. Looks very nice. 499 Pawan selling.
499.
Reminding all the viewers that this is a sale video. जल्दी से
Sale.
order करिए. एक article है. Current shipment के हैं. 499
Nice.
size medium. ये देखिए एक और beautiful article. This is the money. This is the American dollar. They've played around with the dollar. ऊपर नीचे किया है. Time is money. उल्टा करके दिखाइए पवन. ये देखिए. ये उल्टा लिखा हुआ है actually. Time is money. And they've got this bill, this watch with the American dollar. So this looks really classy. अगर इसको हम छूते हैं तो it's giving a fantastic silky feel, amazing feel. So you're getting it at a
Only
all-time low
499.
price,
499.
499, crazy price. And size is all medium. ये दिखाइए, ये बहुत अच्छा आर्टिकल है. ये देखिए with the bunny, and this is part of the print. There's some work on the sleeve. पीछे भी दिखाइए. Okay, so two mediums in this particular article.
499.
Two mediums. So lucky customers can grab it because these are all unique current shipments. This got this beautiful back print. Yeah. So 499.
499.
Quickly order करिए.
जल्दी ऑर्डर करिए.
बिल्कुल जल्दी से करिए. ये I think we move on to the bigger sizes now. Mediums are over. Now we are showing you large. So look at this. This is beautiful with this shiny, beautiful plastic print there, and looks really nice. Very soft and very shiny. The concept is about space. They are trying to say, and
Size large.
it's really very nice.
499.
पीछे से plain है. आगे ये this is the work we have to appreciate, viewers. This is amazing, outstanding. The shine and this astronaut in space. Beautiful piece. अब ये देखिए ये Gothic design है. This is called the Gothic design with this Roman letters and this skeleton with a rose and this beautiful the dragon with this work. It's an outstanding piece and a lovely print. Size large. 499 प्राइस बताइए. 499.
499.
पवन आप हिंदी में बात करेंगे, मैं इंग्लिश में बात करता हूँ. व्यूअर्स को कुछ इश्यूज होता है कोई व्यूअर्स को, सो यू कैन स्पीक इन हिंदी. हिंदी में बोलिए.
साइज लार्ज
जी.
499.
बिल्कुल 499. साइज देखेंगे लार्ज है. 42 टोक्यो रेसिंग. ब्यूटीफुल विद द वेलवेट प्रिंट. क्रेजी प्राइस. नीट क्लीन फ्रेश पीसेस.
जल्दी ऑर्डर करो.
पीछे से प्लेन है.
499
बताइए. ओके, सो दिस रिजी बेयर अगेन, ये सरोस्की वर्क है इस पे, और ये सारा काम जो है दिस इज लुकिंग वेरी नाइस. पीछे से प्लेन है. साइज बताइए, प्राइस बताइए.
साइज लार्ज 499. 499.
बिल्कुल. सो व्यूअर्स जल्दी से ऑर्डर करिए. बहुत ही फैंटास्टिक पीसेस हैं. दिस इज थ्रेड वर्क, एम्ब्रॉयडरी. बाकी ये गॉथिक प्रिंट है. साइज लार्ज. इसमें
499.
टी शर्ट स्ट्रेचेबल है. ये भी दिखाइए. ये देखिए, दिस इज गॉट अ एसिड वॉश और अ स्टोन वॉश. अगेन द टोक्यो प्रिंट विद दिस रेसिंग कार.
499.
So lovely articles for youngsters, for college goers. We got the theme of Gothic. We got the teddy bear. We got the
Size
racing.
large, 499.
And the best part is that this is not a domestic brand. It's an international brand. American label है. Current shipment के articles हैं. Between $30 to $80. So जल्दी grab these articles. They are on sale. ये देखिए.
Size large,
Again with the wings and this work.
499, 490.
This is a repeat article. Size और
Size large, 490.
So you can zoom in even the teddy bear. It's जैसे beautiful matty finish, towel finish है यहाँ पे देखिए. This head, very unique articles with a unique concept. हर चीज, everything is unique. The brand is unique. The print, the design,
499.
everything is unique about this presentation. Fat Cat, again from New York. ये देखिए, the velvet work here.
Size large,
The dollar sign. Size is large. Pawan बताते रहिए.
499.
Stay hungry with dollars. I wonder how can you stay hungry when you have dollars. But still, it's a lovely t-shirt. ये देखिए. Fat Cat. पीछे से plain.
Plain.
Okay, ये दिखाइए. Now for viewers, bigger size. 2XL. No, I think there's something wrong with this. This must be for teenagers. This looks like a medium. 40-41.
499.
ये extra large है.
XL.
Extra large. Price बताइए.
499.
Give viewers the same labels, crazy articles, few sampling pieces. इसमें ज़्यादा quantity है नहीं. Flat $7.99. We are going to give you. Pawan will keep reminding in between.
799.
सिर्फ 799 crazy articles. Chicago.
Size medium.
Baseball लिखा है. It's got this beautiful basket with the ball inside. Fleece है. Shipment pack condition है. Current shipment to the US है. और ये $7.99 बहुत ही crazy rate है. Size
Medium.
medium बताते रहिए. Medium, it's a big medium. 42 को आएगा. पवन बोलते रहिए. Size ये देखिए. This is again medium.
Medium.
Medium again.
40.
Now this again, this beautiful the thread work. ये देखिए ये pockets. It's got these kangaroo pockets.
42.
थोड़ा पीछे जाइए. और ये लिखा है यहाँ पे Swarovski में. It's got Swarovski work, Rebel, and that's Vengeance there written. So lovely fleece hoodie. ये hoodie ये देखिए. Only $7.99.
799.
So unheard of brand and fresh current
799.
shipment. Only $7.99. Size medium, which is a 40, 41, maybe 42. जल्दी से ऑर्डर करिए. सिंगल आर्टिकल्स हैं. ये देखिए. It's got this dragon print. The beautiful dragon print here. Velvet है इसमें. All in sweat fabric है. Sweatshirt. Some of them have wash care, some of them don't because these are genuine shipment surplus. Size medium. पीछे से
Size
मत दिखाइए
medium.
ज़्यादा. और पीछे कोई है नहीं. Okay, guys, this lovely dragon here. The dragon print. And size is small, but they are pretty big. This would be about a 41.
41. 40,
Not-
41.
Yeah, 40-41 kangaroo pockets. पीछे it's got a lovely print, so we'll just focus. ये देखिए.
799.
Only $7.99 for the hoodies, fleece, cotton fleece, and अंदर से पूरा total fleece है. So these are all current shipments
जल्दी order.
because बहुत limited pieces है. They're not very big quantities. ये देखिए, this is a lovely print again, the Gothic style with the thread work
Size large.
and size large. Large है?
44.
42, 40, 42 plus.
40.
पीछे से plain है. Oh, and this lovely work here. And see the work.
799.
Only $7.99. So you can quickly order full sleeve sweatshirts. And has it got something on the sleeve? Let's see. Yeah, it has this on the sleeve. Vengeance. Okay, another. So these are crazy articles. It's again this horror or the Gothic look, and with this beautiful skull and all thread work done here.
42 plus.
So all thread work, Rebel written with this thread work on the pocket. So this is complementing each other, and it's got this work here. And it's got this print here. Size क्या है?
799.
Only $7.99. It's got a hood. So we'll show you the hood and this drawstring. ये देखिए.
42 plus
So and this work at the back.
size.
So this looks very classy at the back. This brown patch. तो जल्दी से इनको ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं आप. ये सिर्फ सिंगल पीसेस है और इस प्राइस में कभी नहीं मिलने वाला है. ये देखिए. So this beautiful teddy here, we had a
Size
t-shirt
large.
in this. Now we are showing you the
44.
sweatshirt. This is a big size 42 plus, 44, है ना? 42, 44, only 799. Large.
799
लिखा large है. पीछे कुछ है? नहीं.
नीचे नहीं
पीछे नहीं. Kangaroo pocket hoodie. Talking about this, ये sweatshirt है. You can mix and match. जैसे ये complete set बना सकते हैं. थोड़ा नीचे रखिए. ये देखिए. You can mix and match. पीछे दिखाइए. पीछे on the hood and यहाँ पे ये देखिए. And matches completely. So it's a complete set. If you want a complete tracksuit, it can be done. You can mix and match. This is a bigger size in a complete set. ऐसे आप देख सकते हैं कुछ. You can do mix and match as well. Okay viewers, it's very important. ध्यान से हम आपको बताएंगे ये जो है ये माइनर्स हैं. माइनर because ये माइनर डिफेक्ट्स हैं और हम आपको दिखा के दे रहे हैं. 200 रुपीज लेस हो जाएंगे जो प्राइस हमने आपको कोट किया. फॉर एग्जांपल 499 कोट किया, ये 299 का हो जाएगा. These are some with minor defects. ये आपका चॉइस है if you want to take them because during sale there is no exchange or return or refund. Now इसमें छोटा मोटा डिफेक्ट होगा कहीं ना कहीं. पीसेस ब्यूटीफुल है, करंट शिपमेंट के हैं क्योंकि सरप्लस है. उसमें छोटे मोटे रिजेक्शंस आ जाते हैं, स्टिचिंग ओवररन आ जाता है, कभी कभी एक थ्रेड मिसिंग होता है, वो आ जाता है. तो इसमें क्या इशू है पवन, आपने चेक किया था? अच्छा, ये माइनर इशू है. ये इसका लेबल जो है ये उखड़ा हुआ है. आप चाहें तो ये टेलर से सिलवा सकते हैं. इट विल हार्डली कॉस्ट यू 10 रुपीज और एनीवन फॉर एनीवन, नॉट मोर देन दैट. माइनर डिफेक्ट की वजह से वी गिविंग यू अ डिस्काउंट ऑफ 200 रुपीज. 299 बताया. 299. रिजेक्शन अलग रखिए. हर एक छोटे मोटे माइनर इश्यूज को हम आपको we'll show it to you. And beautiful print here. ये देखेंगे this nice dog there, 3D. And पीछे दिखाइए. प्रॉब्लम दिखाइए एक बार. प्रॉब्लम इसमें है यहाँ पे कुछ मार्क्स हैं. So 299.
299.
Okay, now this beautiful piece here. इसमें क्या इशू है पवन बताइए. ये प्रिंट तो नहीं कह रहे हो आप? कहीं ना कहीं ये क्वालिटी चेक में पवन ने पकड़ा है कि कोई इशू है, माइनर इशू है, कभी थ्रेड लॉस है और समथिंग. देयर मस्ट बी सम इशू समवेयर. दैट्स व्हाई इट्स गोइंग एट दिस प्राइस. 299. साइज बताइए.
साइज मीडियम.
ओके, ये बहुत ही फैंटास्टिक पीस है. अगेन वेंजेंस. पीछे देखिए. दिस इज ब्यूटीफुल वर्क एट द बैक. Silky fabric inside, and this frame is all thread work, yellow silky thread work. You can see this guy, this on the horse, the skeleton on the horse. बहुत ही crazy article है. इसमें issue नजर आ रहा है तो जल्दी से बताएंगे वरना कहीं ना कहीं. Okay, ये है. See, this one weave is missing here in the cloth. So there's one weave missing. It's hardly noticeable. इसको
299.
ये देखिए. So lovely t-shirt, yellow, bright, and with this thread work in between. इसमें issue याद है आपको? बताइए जल्दी. Okay, again a weave missing here in between. These are all negligible.
299.
But still we are giving you the benefit and we are telling you what the issue is. And we're giving you a crazy price. 299 only. Okay, time space इसमें बताइए क्या है. Size बताइए. Okay, weave. Missing weave is the issue there. ठीक है, हटाइए. Okay, this full sleeve t-shirt, बहुत ही crazy article है with this lovely ice cream and this work, the towel work here. इसमें there are some dust marks here. That's it. So size 42, thin fabric, full sleeve. Price
299.
only 299. So everything goes for 299 there. The bottoms हमने क्या बोला था 799, so minus 200 is 499.
490.
So the bottoms and sweats you'll get for 499. इसमें issues भी बता दीजिए. There's a thread weave missing there. Okay, a lovely article here. 499 with minor defects. बताइए issue समझ आ रहा है कहाँ है? नहीं समझ आ रहा. Okay, there might be a minor thread weave missing. ऐसा नहीं है, major defects नहीं है. There one odd thread missing or something, and that's it. So 499. हटाइए.
490.
Okay. So this has a t-shirt. It can be matched as a complete set. ये देखिए नीचे करिए. हाँ ये. Or if we put it side to side like this. So outstanding combination. 499 for this. 499. Minor issue है इसमें. I think this is the thread weave.
Size XL.
एक thread कभी weaving में मिस हो जाता है तो वो हम लोग minor consider करते हैं उसको. ये देखिए this hoodie. This lovely work on the steady right in between. You can see the silky fabric here. They use silk, thread work, everything. We've explained about this article before. Size बताइए, price बताइए.
Size medium. 499.
Another medium, 499. So these are all minors with thread, missing thread. Mostly these are minors जहाँ thread missing है. बस ये issue है इनके साथ. Otherwise, this white is clean piece, neat and clean.
Size XL.
XL, I think this is again teenage XL है guys. So this is about a 41. It's not a very big
Only
size.
499.
Yeah, 499. The rest of the t-shirts I'm clarifying is not for teenage. It is for adult category. We got very big sizes also. सिर्फ 2-4 इसमें teenage के हैं sizing. ये देखिए, it's an outstanding piece but a very big piece unfortunately. 599. It's 3XL. अगर zoom in करें तो crazy work on it. The dollar sign and everything. This is really smooth and silky and very nice feeling there. Fabric बहुत outstanding है. This is written paid in full sleeve t-shirt. So this
599.
सिर्फ 599. जल्दी ऑर्डर करिए. और ये साइज जो है 3XL और कितना होगा ये 50 के करीब.
50.
I think yeah 48-50. So lovely. Thank you viewers. Thank you once again for watching this very short video. Like I have said, मैं बार बार यही कह रहा हूँ कि ये festive bonanza है. Coming very soon, many festivals lined up in the next 10 days, and we have lined up this plan to give you extra special, unique articles at crazy prices. So we found this first. I hope you find this first video very interesting because it's very unique, very different. The concept and unique to such an extent that I'm sure in the whole of the country this will not go in this particular article. So जरूर इसको जल्दी से आप अपने ऑर्डर्स हमें भेजिए और प्राइसेस हम बता चुके हैं, साइजेस भी हम बता चुके हैं और इसमें जो genuine surplus is something when the shipment goes abroad. इसमें जो पीसेस बच जाते हैं उसमें कुछ माइनर रिजेक्शंस होते हैं जैसे स्टिचिंग वगैरह, वीव मिस होता है. So that is those are all minor issues. So due to that we have given you 5% जो rejection था उसके ऊपर हम आपको given you a further reduction in price. So it's a sale, complete sale video. Please do send in your orders as soon as possible. And the last and final statements again from Pawan.
ये टी शर्ट की सेल आ गई है. बहुत लोग कह रहे थे टी शर्ट की सेल कब आएगी, तो टी शर्ट के साथ में हुडी और लोवर ये सब आ गए हैं. जल्दी जल्दी ऑर्डर करो.